Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see one more interesting service in AWS. So before seeing that service, so let us understood the service from need scenario. So let's say I have two servers. Can I able to manage that servers? Yes, I can able to manage those servers. Let's say I have two more servers. Two more servers created. Can I able to manage these four servers? Yes, we can able to manage these four servers. So let's say I have four more servers. Like this, my on-premise servers are going to be rising. Like this, my on-premise data servers are going to be rising. Now you can tell me, is it easy for me to manage all these servers? Each and every server having their own problem. Each and every server having their own updates, patchworks. So there are a lot of issues need to be there with each and every server, right? Yeah. So in order to maintain these many large scale data, sometimes downtime may happen if I choose this to manage manually in my data center, right? Yeah. So in order to avoid this, in order to manage these many servers or lot many servers, there is a service available in AWS. What is that service? AWS System Manager. So why the service is? So if you want to manage these many servers, then you can choose this System Manager. So to manage systems at any scale, to manage systems at any scale, you have an option in AWS. What is that? Systems Manager. By using the Systems Manager, we can able to manage our systems at any scale on our on-premise or else on our AWS as well. In AWS as well, you can able to manage systems at any scale by using this Systems Manager. So you can manage your systems where those systems may be present in either Linux or Windows servers. On-premise, we call those as servers, whereas if we move to AWS, then we call those as EC2 instances, right? Yeah. We can able to manage. How can we able to manage these many servers? In AWS, we use EC2 instances, right, for servers? Yes. So these EC2 instances may be Linux or Windows. In on-premises also, we use systems as servers, right? Yeah. So now, in order to manage these many systems at any scale, that is up to thousands, it can able to manage. So what it can do? It can able to automate. It can able to automate the task. It can able to automate the task and perform on these systems. In this way, it can able to manage. So how it can able to manage? By automating the task, it can able to manage these many systems. So that's why, since it is managing systems, AWS named the service name as Systems Manager. It can able to manage multiple systems at a time. How? By automating the task. Sir, you told we can able to manage our systems at any scale by using the automation task, right? Yes. So how can I able to manage by using automation task? You told. Now can I configure this automation task at any time? Yes. You can able to configure this automation task at any time by configuring maintenance window. By configuring maintenance window, you can define when this automation task is applied. So by configuring maintenance window, you can also define when automation or modifications are to be applied. So let us see, by using the system manager, what task we can able to perform. So first one, so for these EC2 instances, we can able to create the image and we can able to update the image as well. That is nothing but create and update images. So we can able to perform creation and updation of images. Can I able to configure operating system? Yes, we can able to configure OS for Windows or Linux instances. So we can able to configure OS as well. And can I able to perform patching in my systems? Yes, you can able to do patch updates. By using this, you can even able to perform patch updates as well. And by using this AWS System Manager, you can even able to manage instance state. What? We can able to manage instance state, right? Yes. So what are the tasks that we can able to perform on our systems? If we use the systems manager, we can able to create images and update the images. We can able to configure the OS as well, and we can able to update the patches even, and we can manage the instance states as well by using this AWS System Manager. So in order to perform these many tasks or automate any task for maintaining our systems, so what we need to do, we first need to access this AWS Systems Manager, right? Yes. So how many ways I have? You can access it by using AWS Management Console, and you can able to perform these tasks from there as well, or else you can even do these tasks by accessing this System Manager from AWS CLI. So from AWS, we can we can even integrate this AWS System Manager with services like for providing identity. We can integrate this with IAM. So in order to watch logs, we have CloudWatch and CloudTrail, right? Yes. We can even integrate this AWS System Manager tool or service with these and many other. So with these, to get high flexibility in operations. To access control, we can even integrate this AWS System Manager with IAM. And for event driven automation, we can integrate this system manager with CloudWatch. And for auditing purpose, we can integrate this with CloudTrail as well. So basically these two for monitoring purpose, and this is for IAM for identity purpose. To control the access to this system manager and what are the instances or what are the systems that you are running, for that you need to integrate this with IAM for monitoring services for these systems. We can even choose AWS CloudWatch or CloudTrail. For auditing, we choose CloudTrail. For event history, we can choose CloudWatch. So by using the system manager, what are the things that we can able to perform? We can able to manage our systems, and we can even able to monitor our systems performance related metrics, or what are the monitoring also we can able to perform by using this system manager. Yes, in CloudWatch we can able to monitor, right? Yes. So in the similar way, do we have any monitoring option under this system manager? Yes. So in CloudWatch, we have event history. Same like that in this system manager, we are having an explorer. What is that? Explorer. By using that, we can able to create dashboard. In order to perform any task, or automation, first we need to select our instances, right? Yes. So how many ways do we have to select our instances? We have majorly 3 ways. You can able to select these instances manually. That is one way. You can able to manually select these instances and you can able to perform any management action. And the other way is you can able to select these instances by using tags. So provide the tags to the instances so that you can able to select multiple at a time by using a single same tag, right? Yes. So we can also have an option to select group tags. What? We can even select the group of instances by using group tags. Like some of the EC2 instances having developer tag, then if you select the developer tag, then all the EC2 instances which are comes under the developer tag will will get apply whatever the task that you perform, right? Yes. So in these 3 ways, majorly we can able to select our instance. We can able to select our instances in these 3 ways. Manually, we can able to select our instances or by using the tags, by specifying the tags to multiple instances or multiple servers or multiple systems, we can able to perform these automation tasks at a time to all. And by using the resource group also, we can able to. What is this resource group, sir? What is this resource group? This resource group is nothing but a collection of all resources which is present in same region with same description. So what is this resource group? How it is created? It's nothing but a collection of all resources in the same region that is having same description. We call it as resource group. So in this way, we can able to select our instances. Actually, system manager operates on our resources by using this resource group only. So how system manager can operate on our instances by using this resource group only.
So while performing any query, by using the system manager on selected instances, we use resource group or tags, resource tags, or manually select the instances. That's it. We don't even provide the instances directly. We use either resource tags or resource groups in order to perform any query on those resources. In order to perform, any query or task by using the system manager on any instance, first it need to communicate with the instance, right? Yes. So what do we say? What type of instances that the system manager can able to communicate? The system manager can able to communicate only with managed instances. What are managed instances, sir?
These system managers can only communicate with managed instances. Now again the question rises that, so what is the difference between normal instance and managed instance? In managed instance, we need to install a software. This managed instance is nothing but an instance with SSM agent installed on it. So what is this SSM agent? It's nothing but a software. It's nothing but a software where we need to install on any instance with SSM software. What is this? SSM. In short, we call this as SSM. That is Systems Manager Agent. This is a software we need to install. So, a instance with System Manager Agent already installed in it. So that type of instances we call it as system managed instances. Only with these managed instances only this AWS System Manager can able to communicate. So in order to perform any query or task on your systems, first your system manager needs to communicate with this, right? So in order to communicate, first you need to install this SSM software on your instances, right? Yeah. So to access this EC2, this system manager require permission, right? Yes. So for that, we can use IAM roles and attach that permission to this systems manager. Then we can able to perform any query or operation on these managed instances. By default, what are the instances that are created? That is either it may be Windows or Linux instances created in AWS. This SSM software is already installed in it. So in order to connect with system manager to the instances, that is either Windows or Linux instance which is already created in your AWS cloud, you just need to provide an IAM role for this. Now let's say you want to perform operations on on-premises by using the system manager. Now what you require for these servers which are present on your on-premise, you need to install this SSM software. You need to install this SSM software in order to provide communication between your on-premise systems with this system manager. So after you can able to provide communication, then only the system manager can able to perform any task under your servers on your on-premise. So you need to install SSM software on your systems which are present on your on-premise. Then only you can able to do any task or perform automation by using this system manager. For this system manager, in order to communicate with your managed instances, AWS already provides you, or else for the system manager, in order to interact with whatever the agent or software that you install on your EC2 instances, AWS already pre-provided a managed policy. So first it need to access this instance, right? In order to communicate with this agent, yes. So to access this EC2 instance, AWS provides a policy name is what? Amazon EC2 role for SSM. Amazon EC2 role for SSM. So by attaching this policy, then only this system manager can able to communicate or interact with this EC2 instance, and within this EC2 instance, it can able to interact with agent. What are the SSM agent that we installed in it? Then it can able to perform whatever the operations or tasks or queries that we are performing by using this system manager. So this is theory about system manager. By using this, I hope you understood what we can able to perform. We can able to perform automation on our systems. So that's why we call it as system manager. We can able to perform these many tasks on our instances, not single. We can able to perform on multiple. So in order to select multiple instances, what are the ways we have? We can select them manually, or we can select them by using resource tags, or by using resource group also we can able to select. So what is this resource group again? This resource group is nothing but in a single region, all the instances which are having a particular match of description, we call those all instances as a resource group. Actually, we can operate our system manager by using any one of these. We can operate queries on instances by using the system manager by using any one of these ways. Now, the system manager can able to manage your on-premise servers or systems as well as AWS systems as well as other private network providers systems as well. We can even able to configure our management maintenance window. By using this maintenance window, we can able to control when our modifications or automation need to happen. And at last, in order to provide communication, in order to perform any task or perform any query on our instance, that instance must be managed type, managed instance. When do we say instance is managed? The instance is installed with SSM agent, SSM software installed in it. Then we can say that as managed instance. Okay. Let's say all the instances which are present in AWS, that is, if we create an instance with a Linux or Windows version, then SSM agent is already installed. So what about on-premise? They're having pre-built SSM installed on it? No. We are the person will take care of installing those SSM software on our on-premises servers. Okay, let's say the task is done. Installation of SSM agent is done. Now, in order to provide communication between your system manager and our servers, on-premise servers, we don't need to do anything. This system manager can directly able to connect with the agent that you installed on these on-premise servers. Whereas coming to EC2 instances, first, this SSM manager require permission, right? In order to access them? Yes. So to provide permission to this SSM, we need to attach a policy. What is that policy? Amazon EC2 role for SSM. It's already predefined policy, predefined managed policy, which is available in AWS. You can able to use and attach it. If you want, you can able to attach custom policy as well by writing on your own hands. So in this way, we can able to manage our instances. Even we can monitor our instances or group of instances by using monitoring services like CloudWatch and CloudTrail. And we can even have Explorer. You can see that whenever we enter into lab practical, you can see an option that is Explorer. By using that, you can able to explore or monitor the changes which happens in this. You can able to manage this thing. So this is about AWS System Manager. I hope you understood or recapped your knowledge on AWS System Manager. You got a clear idea on concept of AWS System Manager. If you feel this video is contentful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys. Thanks for watching again.